विद्वानको विदुषी दिदीले लगी पनि आउन सक्छ तपाईको लखनबाजी छैन What do you mean by dog? What do you mean by natural disaster? Natural disaster. What do you mean by natural disaster? Natural disaster बोले तो क्या है मेरे बच्चों? आओ 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 बच्चों सुनो. The natural process that harms us is called natural disaster. What do you mean by natural disaster? The natural process that harms us is known as natural disaster. Harms means what? Natural disaster बोले तो anything that harms us is called natural disaster. Okay. What is the landslide? The falling of rock and soil from the hills is called landslide. The falling of rock. ए बोले तो क्या है? No. I speak in Hindi, I speak in English. Not Nepali, right? I speak in English, I speak in Nepal, not Nepali. It's also Danish, English, in Hindi.
Why?
The falling of the rock and soil from the hill is called landslide. What is a landslide? The falling of rock and soil from hill.
It's called
landslide. Landslide बोले तो क्या है मेरे बच्चों? Write any two differences between flood and earthquake. Yeah, this all are the natural disaster, okay? The difference between flood and earthquake are first. It can be prevented by afforestation. Afforestation means क्या है? Afforestation बोले तो क्या है? Planting of trees known as afforestation. What do you mean by afforestation?
planting of trees.
What do you mean by planting? Planting new tree. You should provide water plant after planting. Irrigation is vital, especially during the dry season. If you just plant a tree and just left it, it will die. You should irrigate it. You should water. Difference between flood and earthquake. Flood, it can be prevented by afforestation. Afforestation means? What do you mean by afforestation? You need to know two words: afforestation and deforestation. Afforestation. Afforestation means planting of
Plants.
tree. Planting of tree is known as afforestation. Deforestation means
Planting.
cutting of tree is known as deforestation. Hey, you getting my point? What do you mean by afforestation?
What is this?
This is rule. What do you mean by afforestation?
Cut.
A means first comes first. A.
Planting.
D come after A. That don't see later English alphabet.
Planting trees.
Planting of trees is known as afforestation. What do you mean by deforestation?
Cutting.
Cutting of. Cutting of tree is known as
Deforestation.
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 What is the difference between flood and earthquake? What is flood? Flood can be prevented by afforestation. फ्लोड को कैसे प्रिवेंशन करते हैं? By afforestation. Earthquake, can you prevent earthquake? No, you can't prevent earthquake. Flood, it's caused by heavy rainfall. Flood. The incessant flood means It continues. Flash flood means if the sudden rain, heavy rain occur in the short period of time, let's say in 1 hour the rain fall by around 10 centimeter, then it can trigger the flash flood. What do you mean by flash flood? Sudden, abrupt rainfall in a short period of time is known as heavy rain.
Heavy rain.
That trigger flash flood. Flood is caused by heavy rainfall. How do flood occur? Flood is caused by heavy rainfall. Earthquake, it is caused by the collision of tectonic plate. It is caused by the collision of tectonic plate. Tectonic plate. Let's say this is one plate, this is another plate, and this is just the converging plate. There are two types of plate.
And we down.
Converging. Look here, hey. You student, just listen to me. This is the converging plate. Let's say this is the Indian plate which is converging on the Himalayan or Tibetan plate, and this is converging, and the mountains are continuously rising. That's why Himalayan region has the world highest peak, because they are continuously evolving, continuously rising, because of the movement of Indian plate against the Eurasian plate. This is the converging plate, and in converging plate there is a frequent earthquake, whereas in diverging plate there is a risk of volcanic eruption. What do you mean by volcano? Jwalamukhi. What do you mean by volcano? Jwalamukhi. This is a diverging plate, means the two plates are diverging from each other. In this plate, there is a volcanic eruption. There is a potential of volcanic eruption in a diverging plate, whereas there is a potential of earthquake in a converging plate. Did you know the difference between converging and diverging? Earthquake and volcano? Why should we plant trees on barren land? Why should we plant trees in barren land? Hey, what do you mean by barren land? Barren means नंगा जमीन पे पेड़ को क्यों उगाना चाहिए? We should plant a tree in barren land to prevent erosion, landslide, and flooding. You should speak English here. This subject is not in other language, okay? You should speak English here. You are trying to learn English. There is a lot of words here. You need to understand this word. Without understanding, how do you live? It is difficult to learn. There are technical jargon in here. Importance of cloud and weather forecasting. What is the importance of cloud in weather forecasting? What device helps in weather forecast? Supercomputer. Supercomputer helps in weather forecast. I like this comment, eh? No, man. No. What is a supercomputer?
Supercomputer is for weather forecasting.
Most powerful and biggest, most expensive. What do you mean by biggest and most expensive?
Sorter ko